pride and profound gratitude that I stand before you to introduce the illustrious legacy of Bijapur Lingayat District Education Association, fondly known as BLDEA. Established in 1910 by the revered Vachana Pitamaha Dr. P.G. Halkatti, BLD carries a glorious history spanning more than a century. Built upon the visionary ideals of its founder, the institution has flourished under the inspiring leadership of great stalwarts such as Sri Sangana Basaveshwara Mahashiva Yogigalu, Sri B.M. Patil and Sri M.B. Patil. Their dedication, foresight and relentless service has nurtured and expanded BLD into a beacon of educational excellence. Among its many esteemed institutions, BLD College of Education Jamkhandi stands as a proud symbol of commitment to quality teacher education. In the modern era, knowledge serves as a pathway to holistic development, physical, mental, intellectual and spiritual. True education shapes not only the mind but also the body and soul. It is rightly said, one who shows mercy is a mother, one who nurtures is a father, and one who fulfills both roles is a teacher. Parents are the eyes of a child's life, but teachers are the guiding lights of self-knowledge. These three pillars form the foundation of every individual's educational journey. The growth of our College of Education is the result of tireless efforts of many unseen hands. Nearly 30% of our students from degree college are pursuing B.Ed in various colleges of education, reflecting the strong academic culture that we uphold. The visionary administrator, Sri S.H. Lagali, successfully realized the dream of Dr. M.B. Patil through persistent effort, strategic planning and unwearying commitment. The College of Education functioned successfully from 2013 to 2017 under dynamic leadership. We gratefully acknowledge the invaluable contributions of Dr. Ajata Swami A.M., Dr. V.D. Aiholle, Dr. A.V. Bamagond, Dr. G.R. Angadi, and Professor L.M. Markapanalli, the coordinator of B.Ed College, whose dedication and cooperation laid a strong academic foundation. After inspection by the National Council for Teacher Education, New Delhi in 2016 and evaluation by Rani Chennamma University, the institution received a positive recognition for its overall excellence. The principals and professors of our degree college Jamkhandi and JSS College of Education Bijapur extended valuable academic guidance, supervision and mentorship. Qualified and experienced faculty members were appointed based strictly on merit and eligibility. We are proud to state that our institution consistently achieves excellent academic results with nearly 100% pass percentages each year. Many of our trainees have successfully cleared the Karnataka Teachers Eligibility Test (TET), bringing laurels to the institution. It is a moment of immense pride that Ms. Apurva Kulkarni secured third rank in Rani Chennamma University in the academic year 2022, Ms. Neelava Kunchnur secured fourth rank in 2023, and Mr. Sandeep Telgade achieved first rank in 2024. These remarkable achievements reflect the dedication of our students and the tireless commitment of our esteemed faculty members. In addition to this, Mrs. Purti Gaddar and Mr. Deepak Kanchanal created a history by becoming the first ever University Blues from our college in shuttle badminton. Their outstanding performance earned them the honor of representing Bagalkot University at the prestigious South Zone Nationals All India Inter-University Tournament held in Andhra Pradesh. Today, many of our alumni serve as dedicated teachers in government and private schools and hold responsible positions in various sectors. Their success stands as a testimony to the quality and values instilled by our institutions. As educators, we take immense satisfaction and pride in rendering this noble and phenomenal service to society. We remain committed to shaping and compassionate and visionary teachers who will illuminate the path of knowledge for generation to come.
ಬಳಪ ಹಿಡಿದ ಭಗವಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಾನೆ ನಮ ಸುತ್ತ ಅವತಾರ ನಾನಾ ರೂಪವೋ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಹಣೆ ಬರಹ ತಿದ್ದಿ ಬರೆಯಲು ಕತ್ತಲೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತ ಕರೆದೊಯ್ದ ಬೆಳಕು ತೋರಲು ದಯವಾಗಿ ಗದರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳೆಸಲು ಭಾಷೆ ಅಮೃತ ಕುಡಿಸೋ ತಾಯಾಗಿ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಮೃತ ಕುಡಿಸೋ ತಾಯಾಗಿ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ
ಸಂಭವಿಸು ಇಂದೆನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಅವತರಿಪ ಸತ್ಯಾವತಾರ. ಬಾಯಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಭವಿಸು ಇಂದೆನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಅವತರಿಪ ಸತ್ಯಾವತಾರ. ಮಣ್ಣಾಗಿ ಮರವಾಗಿ ಮಿಗವಾಗಿ ಖಗವಾಗಿ, ಮಣ್ಣಾಗಿ ಮರವಾಗಿ ಮಿಗವಾಗಿ ಖಗವಾಗಿ ಭವ ಭವದಿ ಭವಿಸಿದೆ ಭವದಿ ದೂರ. ನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಅವತರಿಪ ಸತ್ಯಾವತಾರ, ನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಅವತರಿಪ ಸತ್ಯಾವತಾರ. ಬಾಯಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಭವಿಸು ಇಂದೆನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಅವತರಿಪ ಸತ್ಯಾವತಾರ. ಬಾಯಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಭವಿಸು ಇಂದೆನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಅವತರಿಪ ಸತ್ಯಾವತಾರ. ಮಣ್ತನಕ್ಕೆ ಮರತನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿಗತನಕ್ಕೆ ಖಗತನಕ್ಕೆ, ಮಣ್ತನಕ್ಕೆ ಮರತನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿಗತನಕ್ಕೆ ಖಗತನಕ್ಕೆ